Most of the time when we prepare kachumbari, we always add in the same ingredients, but in this recipe, we're going to be adding in a twist. And the kachumbari is going to be protein loaded, very flavorful and delicious. For this recipe, you're going to need some cucumber, tomatoes, onions, coriander. I have 1 lemon, green chili, which is very optional, some Smokies, ketchup, black pepper, salt. Yeah, that's it. So we are going to start off by cooking our Smokies, and I'm going to pick a small pan, place over medium low flame. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of cooking oil. When the oil is ready, you're going to drop in your Smokies. Back to my chopping board, I'm going to cut my onion in half. Then I'm going to finely slice. This is a recipe that needs no effort. So next I'm going to pick a bowl and transfer in my onions. I'm going to be using the rest of the onion to cook a meal. Then next I'm going to pick my tomatoes, cut into quarters. I'll start off by removing the pit in half and into quarters, just like this. Check on my Smokies one more time. I don't want that dark color, which doesn't look so good. So if you notice that your Smokies are ready, just put off the flames and transfer to a plate with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. And then I'm going to remove the seeds from the tomatoes. And then I'm going to remove the pulp from the tomatoes. And once I'm done, I'm going to thinly slice my tomatoes just like this. Then I'm going to transfer into my bowl. Removing the tomato pulp is going to make the kachumbari less soupy. So once you're done chopping up your tomatoes, you're going to transfer into the same bowl with your onions. Next, pick my cucumber, chop off one end and cut in half. Then I'm going to be cutting into half moons. Pick my green chili, and because I don't want the kachumbari to be too hot, I'm going to be removing the seeds. So I'm going to cut the chili in half, and then I'm going to remove the seeds. Place the seeds aside, then I'm going to slice my chili. Transfer into the bowl. Pick my lemon, cut in half. Then I'm going to use my lemon squeezer and squeeze in a teaspoon of lemon juice into the bowl. Now it's time to make my sauce. So I'm going to pick a small bowl, add in a 1/4 cup of ketchup, that is 2 tablespoons. Then next I'm going to add in some black pepper and salt. Squeeze in a teaspoon of more lemon juice. You can also add in some white vinegar. Whisk up, chop up my coriander. I only need the leaves, so I'm going to remove the stalks and place aside for another dish. Finally, that's my coriander. Once done, I'm going to transfer into the same bowl with the sauce. Add in 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Mix up everything, and wow. This sauce is going to add in sweetness and tanginess, since ketchup adds a little bit of vinegar and also the lemon juice. Make sure it's well seasoned before adding into the rest of the ingredients. So now I'm going to pick my Smokies, which I've cooled down, and sliced into rings. They're looking so gorgeous. I love the color that Smokies have, because you can see the inside is pink in color. Remove the ends, place aside, pick the next. And then you're going to repeat with the rest of the Smokies. Now that my sauce is ready, the Smokies are chopped up, and we've already prepped up the veggies. It's time to mix up everything. So into my bowl, I'm going to be mixing up the cucumbers, onions, and tomatoes. Add in a tiny bit of salt. This looks so gorgeous already. So next, I'm going to add in my Smokies. Mix up. Add in my sauce. Mix, 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 and wow, absolutely love. Make sure the veggies are fully coated with the sauce. Then you're going to check the seasoning. I'll pick a tomato. This is so good. Wow. The green chili is making the kachumbari very spicy. Just how I love it. So I need a tiny bit of more salt. I'm going to pick my salt, add in, and mix up once more. So the salt is going to drain water from the veggies when done mixing up. And then the tomatoes, the cucumbers are going to soften up, while the onions are going to add in a little bit of onion flavor to the kachumbari. And once done, you're going to refrigerate the kachumbari for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And during this time, all the nice flavors from the olive oil, ketchup, the black pepper are going to infuse into the veggies, and everything is going to soften up and get very delicious. When ready, you're going to serve in a very nice bowl. So I'm going to serve mine in a clear bowl so that you can all see how delicious my kachumbari is looking. So carefully, I'm going to spoon. My kachumbari has turned out absolutely gorgeous. We have some reds, green, magentas. We have lots of flavor, which is olive oil, black pepper, and ketchup. That means that the kachumbari is going to be totally worth trying. This is a perfect side dish that you can serve over rice or mashed potatoes, or you can enjoy as is. So yeah, definitely it's worth trying.